business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? You already know I go. It's your boy B back with another video. I know in most of my videos I'm showing you guys exactly how to flip phones and electronics, and showing you certain processes. So today the process I'm showing you guys real quick is me actually meeting a buyer. And a lot of people don't understand different ways to find buyers, and also they don't understand how buyers like the transaction happens. So I'm about to explain it. Number one, buyers. You'll see a lot of people on well, I've saw some, not everybody, some phone flippers recording their buyers. Buyers don't like to be recorded, guys, because they got their own stuff going on, and you know, they got to protect themselves and stuff like that, and I respect it. So this is the buyer. I'm pulling up. I'm going to record, but I'm not going to record video. Hello.
Long time,
Long time, man. How are you?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All
You
right.
say it's what you
Yeah, so like I didn't know how to put this in the spreadsheet though, because it doesn't have any IMEI. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
So I didn't know how to do that.
Okay.
That's how much?
Yes.
I gotta try to unlock it. I'll try to get this unlocked.
You gonna try. You gonna
Yeah,
try.
I try, yeah.
Let me the password let me know. It's
Okay.
a lot. It's the price. You understand? It's,
Yeah, I'll try. I'll try.
You're gonna
to
try.
figure it
No
out.
problem,
Yeah,
man.
I'll figure it out. All right. Got those 6 pieces.
Yes, yes. Long time. Why are you long time, man?
Yeah, working, kids going to school. It's just been a lot.
No phone.
I brought you a bag too this time, but it's okay.
It's too much.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Before you know, no bet, give me, okay?
I know. Good.
Yeah.
All right, I trust you.
You're gonna try.
Yeah, I got you. I know you good.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. All right, be safe, okay? I'll see you soon. I got you.
You see you some more, man.
Yeah.
You make money, man.
Yeah, I know. I got you. So, after making a deal, I made some money. This is a buyer that I rarely ever see because, again, I work with multiple buyers. But I wanted to give you guys that type of experience. I want you guys to see exactly the type of experience it is. Like, you pay for a phone flipping course. You turn in the phone flipping course into all of this. You know what I mean? All of this, okay? Oh, shoot. It's a little thicky. But all of this, you know what I mean? All of this. So, it's a luxury, but at the same time, I don't like meeting buyers, especially since, you know, I got other connects. But this is really cool, a good feeling once you get it from the buyer and all that stuff. But I wanted you guys to see, buyers are not hard to get at all. As you see with him, like, I barely come to him, and they want you to come to them frequently because that's how they make their money. It's not about, for them, it's not about making a huge profit. It's more so about, you know, quantity. And me personally, I just have more connects per se that I use that I don't know. I grew out of just meeting buyers. Now I ship to buyers overseas. I ship it overseas and stuff. I'm like the connect, you know, like he was the connect at first, and then I became the connect because I started to do my research and I started to actually travel, get to know people, meet people. And then once I met the right people, I gained that connect to where I don't have to see that buyer. I could just literally make the money myself, and cut the middleman out. So yeah, it's when you're meeting with a buyer, it's always important to make sure that he is there on time, or that you guys are in a public area, and also make sure your doors is locked. Make sure that you're moving slow. Make sure you have your phones in a bag. A lot of people don't understand. But buyers are not to be put on camera. They're not to be put on camera. I've seen buyers get locked up before, and let me tell you why. Because buyers are taking so many phones in that it could be suspected fraud. Excuse me. It also can be the fact that they have brought an iCloud lock phone. Prime example. Like I got a iCloud lock Apple Watch, but they take that in, and let's say the person that's missing it, or the person that let's say it's a stolen device. That buyer now is taking that risk with that stolen device for it to be tracked and sent to their house, or their police to be sent to their house, or wherever they're storing the phones. So it's really important that you just let them keep themselves discreet. Like, I don't put them on camera because it's no point. It's no point. And a lot of skepticism comes with me when I see other people put their buyers on camera, especially like if they walk into a store talking about, yeah, man, I'm about to sell you. Real phone buyers are not in stores. They're not in stores. They're not in cell phone stores. They're not. Okay, they're floating, and the reason why they're floating is because they understand sitting down in the cell phone store ain't about to make their money. So you got to understand what I'm saying, though. I'm not saying that you can't be in a store and buy phones. I'm talking about the direct connect. So the guy I just met with, he lives in China. So he comes and buys the phones and goes directly back to China. This is a real buyer, like a real buyer. It's not a US buyer. This is real, okay? So it's like, if you find somebody that wants to buy phones in the store, just know that that's a middleman. Me, I am a middleman. That's what I am. It's nothing wrong with that. But the middleman needs to know the connects. They need to know where to put you in the direction to actually talk to and deal with the direct source. Don't fall for people that are shooting videos, selling phones to people in stores, talking about buy my course. You know, dude, you still are trying to find your course. You see what I'm saying? Don't talk about a course when you don't even got the luxury of meeting people overseas or meeting the people that are actually getting these phones. It's just crazy, you know, it's just crazy. But yeah, so from that deal, I made $5,420. So right now I'm heading back to like around my way, and then I'm going to put this in my bank account. If you are somebody that does this for business, understand to make sure you have a business bank account. Make sure that you are documenting all of your transactions, making your receipts. Like I do this literally legit. Like this isn't a under the table thing. This is literally a business of mine, one of my businesses, and it's something that I take serious. So maybe I'll be able to do a video about, you know, bookkeeping to make sure that you're understanding if this is even profitable for you. And also, guys, I was sleeping. I woke up to a couple DMs of people asking me, hey, can you teach me how to do it? Like, I want you. Like, how do I book you? Like, I want you to teach me. So I'm going to start a course, a live course. So it's not going to be any slides. It's going to be once a week, Zoom classes with me. And we're going to talk about a bunch of things, including listing products on MERCARI, listing products on eBay. We're going to talk about phone flipping. We're going to talk about all of these sources of incomes. So that will be access to you guys, and it will be on IamHustlersMindset.com. You know, hopefully I can update you guys on the name, because I haven't figured it out, but I do know that I want to be more interactive with people. I want to actually see you guys. I want to actually get to know your name. I want to know your face so I can put your name to your face. I want to be able to connect, because you never know, man. I had a guy in Atlanta who was actually one of my mentees, and we ended up opening a store together out in Atlanta. So it's a lot that can be done. We just gotta connect, and you never know what can happen. So yes, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to end this video right now because I'm about to head home and do my 1s and 2s and continue to work. But I want to, be focused while driving. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.